Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. This is Pul Kumari from Sri Vasishta Vidyalaya. Today we are going to learn about Social Studies Standard 5th, Lesson 6 that focuses on hot deserts, Part 2. Now students, in previous video we have learned about climate of hot deserts and life in the hot deserts. In today's video we are going to cover economic activities in deserts and modern life in hot deserts. So let's start. We'll start the video with economic activities in deserts. You know students, economic activities in deserts are classified into three. That is trading, farming and mining. So first we'll talk about trading. Trading is one of the main occupation of the people living in desert area. Right student? Now let's see what they trade. They trade in rugs, dates, food grains, carpets, etc. Now let's see what are rugs. You know students, rugs means a piece of thick material that covers a small part of a floor. In simple words, we can also say that are doormats, right? Trading is done on camel backs and merchants or traders move from one place to another with their goods, right? This is about trading. Now let's talk about farming. So before talking about farming, it is very important to know about what is oasis. Now students, just look at this picture. This is the picture of oasis. Students, whenever you go in desert area, you will find an area where there is a source of water in the form of lake or pond. Around that, you can also find some greenery. That area is known as oasis. Now let's see in simple words how can we define oasis. Oases are small patches of land in deserts having water in the form of the lake or pond are called oases. Right? Now let's talk about farming. You know students, in deserts people grow different crops in different seasons. Right? In summer seasons they grow crops such as rice, millets and maize. Now students, do you know what is millet? Millets are bajra, right? And maize, we all know that they are corns, right? Now let's see in winter what happened. In winter they grow wheat, barley, beans and lentils. Now what are lentils? Lentils are kind of pulses, you know, a small brown, orange or green seed that can be dried and used in cooking, right? So in winter, these are the crops which are grown. Now, let's move ahead. Look at this picture. This is the picture of date palm and I hope you all love to eat date palm. Yes, we all love to eat dates. Yes. Now, date palm is the most common tree found in deserts and merchants trade dates also, that we already have learned. Yes, students. Now, let's talk about dry farming in deserts. Desert farming has only been made possible due to the modern methods of irrigation. Yes, of course, as we know, in desert, very less water is available, right? So for farming, we need modern method of irrigation so that with the less water we can do farming Yes, more effectively. Yes. And here is one more concept, that is dry farming. Now let's see what is dry farming. Dry farming is farming in almost rainless region, right? Without the help of irrigation. It is done by conserving the natural moisture of the soil and by planting crops that can resist drought, right? So this is all about dry farming. Now students, Thar Desert of India are a very good example of deserts where dry farming is practiced. Alright, now let's talk about mining. Mining is another important activity practiced in some desert, and again in different desert region different minerals are available. Right now let's see. If I talk about Great Australian Desert, we have gold, silver, uranium, iron and zinc ores, right? And the Sahara Desert, it has copper, petroleum, iron ore and natural gas reserves, right? So this is all about economic activities in deserts. Now we are going to talk about modern life in the hot region. If I talk about modern life in hot deserts, I must have to say that with the help of modern technology, people in desert have started using advanced irrigation system to handle the problem of water shortage for their comfortable life. Right, student? Now, second is desalination. Desalination. What is desalination? Desalination is the method by which salty water is processed into potable water. Students, it is mainly used in Australia, and though it is quite expensive method, it is not popular yet, right? Now, students, some people in deserts still use camels as a means of transport. But today, many deserts are oil-rich areas and people can afford motor vehicles. Thus, flyovers and roads have been constructed in many desert cities to make travel very comfortable and easy. Okay. Now, this is all about modern life in hot deserts. Now, it's time for individual activity. This time, you have to imagine that you live in desert region. In your notebook, you have to make a list of the problems that you might face. Right? Now let's see what are the topics we have covered here in today's video. We have learned that the economic activities in deserts are trading, mining and farming. In modern times, life in desert has changed a lot. Yes, of course. Flyovers and roads have been constructed in many desert cities to make travel easy and comfortable. Right, students? So this is all about economic activities in deserts and modern life in hot deserts. Now, in upcoming days, I'm going to upload video that explain. In that, I explain textual exercise including question and answer. Till the time, thank you and have a nice day.